What if the way you sleep is slowly damaging your body without you realizing it? Most people think sleep problems mean feeling tired, but science tells a much darker story. Your sleep schedule doesn't just affect how you feel tomorrow, it affects how fast your body ages, how well your brain works, and how long you live. And the most dangerous part? You can feel fine while damage quietly builds. This isn't motivation talk. This is biology. Hello, I'm Dr. Sandra Lee. For decades, sleep researchers from institutions like Harvard have studied what happens when human sleep rhythms are disrupted. Their findings are clear, consistent, and deeply concerning. Poor sleep timing doesn't just reduce energy, it alters the body at a cellular level. Sleep is not rest, sleep is repair. While you sleep, your body repairs damaged cells, clears toxic waste from the brain, balances hormones, regulates immune function. When sleep timing is off, these systems don't work properly. Damage accumulates, silently, night after night. It's not just how long you sleep, it's when you sleep. Humans evolved with a circadian rhythm, an internal biological clock synced to light and darkness. When you sleep at inconsistent times or against this rhythm, your body receives mixed signals. Hormones release at the wrong time, metabolism slows, inflammation rises. Modern life is hostile to human biology. Artificial light, late-night screens, irregular work hours, social media at midnight. Your brain cannot tell the difference between sunlight and phone light, so it stays alert when it should be repairing. Your hormones depend on sleep timing. Melatonin, the hormone that protects cells from aging, is released only when darkness and timing align. Cortisol, the stress hormone, should peak in the morning, not at night. When sleep schedules are irregular, melatonin drops, cortisol rises, aging accelerates. Poor sleep timing rewires your metabolism. Research shows that irregular sleep schedules increase insulin resistance, promote fat storage, and increase hunger hormones. Your body begins storing energy instead of burning it. This happens even if you eat normally. Your brain cleans itself only during sleep. At night, the brain activates a system that flushes out toxic waste, including proteins linked to Alzheimer's disease. Disrupted sleep timing prevents this cleaning process. Toxins remain. Memory suffers. Cognitive aging accelerates. The damage doesn't feel dramatic. Sleep-related damage builds slowly. You adjust. You drink caffeine. You normalize fatigue. But internally, systems are breaking down. By the time symptoms appear, the damage has often been building for years. Your immune system runs on a sleep schedule. Immune cells activate and reset during deep, properly timed sleep. When sleep timing is disrupted, inflammation becomes chronic, infection risk increases, healing slows. Your body stays in a low-grade stress state. Your heart follows your sleep rhythm. Blood pressure naturally drops at night, heart rate slows, blood vessels recover. Irregular sleep schedules prevent this recovery. Long-term studies link poor sleep timing to hypertension, heart disease, and stroke. Sleep timing controls how fast you age. Cell repair, DNA maintenance, and mitochondrial health all depend on consistent sleep cycles. Disrupt them and aging accelerates from the inside. Wrinkles are the least serious outcome. The body never adapts fully. Even people who get used to late nights still show biological stress markers. The body keeps trying to follow the sun. Biology does not negotiate with schedules. You can't catch up on sleep. Sleeping late on weekends confuses your circadian rhythm further. This is called social jet lag, and it keeps your body in a constant state of misalignment. Chronic misalignment shortens lifespan. Large population studies show that people with long-term sleep schedule disruption have higher all-cause mortality, not because of one night, but because of thousands. Your body wants to heal. The circadian system is resilient. With consistent timing, many systems begin recovering within weeks. Inflammation drops, hormones stabilize, energy returns. Consistency matters more than perfection. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day is more powerful than sleeping longer irregularly. Your body values predictability. Light controls your internal clock. Morning light signals wake-up time. Night light signals repair mode. Controlling light exposure is one of the fastest ways to fix sleep timing. This affects all ages. Young bodies hide damage better. Older bodies feel it sooner, but the biological process is the same. Sleep timing always matters. You don't need more productivity, you need alignment. Sleep is not laziness, it's survival. Your schedule is shaping your future, night by night. I'm Dr. Sandra Lee, and this is where real longevity begins. Sleep problems don't scream, they whisper until the damage is done. By now, you understand that an irregular sleep schedule doesn't just make you tired, it quietly changes how your body functions at the deepest biological level. The danger is subtle. You don't feel sick overnight. You don't wake up one day suddenly unhealthy. Instead, your body loses efficiency slowly. Repair systems weaken, hormones lose rhythm, and aging accelerates without warning. This is how modern sleep patterns shorten lives, silently. Every cell in your body runs on time. Inside your brain sits the suprachiasmatic nucleus, your master clock. But here's what most people don't know. Every organ, your liver, your pancreas, your heart, your immune cells, has its own internal clock. When you sleep and wake at consistent times, these clocks stay synchronized. When you don't, chaos begins. Scientists call this circadian misalignment. Your organs stop communicating efficiently, energy production drops, repair processes fail to activate. Your body is no longer working as a system. Irregular sleep rewires your metabolism. Harvard research shows that inconsistent sleep schedules directly affect how your body processes glucose. Even when sleep duration stays the same, sleep timing alone can cause higher blood sugar, increased insulin resistance, fat storage instead of fat burning. This is why shift workers have dramatically higher rates of type 2 diabetes, obesity, and metabolic syndrome. Your body expects food, rest, and repair at specific times. When those signals are scrambled, disease follows. Late nights turn your body into a fat storage machine. Two hormones control hunger: leptin, which signals fullness, and ghrelin, which signals hunger. Irregular sleep disrupts both. As a result, you feel hungry even when you shouldn't. Cravings shift toward sugar and refined carbs, and late-night eating becomes irresistible. But the real danger isn't calories, it's timing. Eating when your biological clock expects fasting forces your body to store energy as fat. Your brain cleans itself only on schedule. During deep sleep, your brain activates the glymphatic system. This system flushes metabolic waste, removes neurotoxic proteins, clears amyloid beta linked to Alzheimer's disease. But here's the critical detail. This cleaning system works best during consistent nighttime sleep windows. Irregular sleep means incomplete cleanup. Over time, memory weakens, focus declines, and risk of dementia increases. Sleep isn't rest for your brain, it's sanitation. Missed sleep timing accelerates brain aging.
Studies show that people with inconsistent sleep schedules experience reduced gray matter volume, slower cognitive processing, and higher rates of anxiety and depression. The brain thrives on rhythm. Without it, neural connections weaken, decision-making suffers, emotional regulation declines. This is why poor sleep timing affects mood long before physical illness appears. Your immune system depends on sleep rhythm. Sleep is when your immune system produces protective antibodies, lowers inflammation, and repairs cellular damage. When sleep timing is irregular, inflammation stays elevated, recovery slows, and disease risk increases. Chronic inflammation is the foundation of heart disease, cancer, and autoimmune disorders. Poor sleep doesn't just weaken immunity, it keeps your body in a constant state of internal stress. Your heart follows your sleep schedule. Blood pressure naturally drops during consistent nighttime sleep, but irregular sleep prevents proper blood pressure dipping, increases resting heart rate, and raises stress hormone levels. Over time, this damages blood vessels. Research links irregular sleep patterns to higher heart attack risk, increased stroke probability, and accelerated vascular aging. Your heart needs predictability. Catching up on sleep doesn't erase the damage. Many people believe weekend sleep fixes weekday deprivation. Science says otherwise. When sleep timing constantly shifts, hormonal rhythms remain broken, metabolic disruption persists, and inflammation stays elevated. Sleep debt is not like money. You can't repay it fully. Consistency, not compensation, is what heals. The most powerful sleep fix costs nothing. The single strongest intervention for sleep health is consistent timing. Go to bed at the same time. Wake up at the same time, even on weekends. This alone can improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, enhance brain performance, and slow biological aging. Duration matters, but timing matters more. Light controls your internal clock. Light is the strongest circadian signal. At night, artificial light suppresses melatonin. Blue light delays sleep onset. Solution? Dim lights 90 minutes before bed. Use warm lighting. Avoid screens when possible. Your brain needs darkness to initiate repair. Morning sunlight resets your biology. Within 30 minutes of waking, get outside. Expose your eyes to natural light. No sunglasses. This tells your brain this is daytime. Result? Better nighttime sleep, stronger circadian alignment, and improved energy and mood. Morning light is medicine. Food timing affects sleep timing. Late meals delay melatonin release. Solution? Finish eating at least 3 hours before bed. Avoid heavy or sugary foods at night. Favor protein and healthy fats. Your digestive system has a clock, too. Exercise reinforces sleep rhythm. Regular physical activity strengthens circadian signals, improves sleep depth, and reduces stress hormones. But timing matters. Morning or afternoon exercise is best. Late-night intense workouts can disrupt sleep. Movement teaches your body when to rest. Consistency heals slowly but deeply. Sleep repair isn't instant. Expect 7 to 10 days for hormone regulation, 2 to 3 weeks for circadian realignment, 30 days for noticeable energy improvement. Patience is part of the process. Good sleep slows aging at the cellular level. Consistent sleep is associated with longer telomeres, reduced oxidative stress, and lower biological age markers. Sleep isn't passive. It's one of the most powerful anti-aging tools available. Your body isn't broken, it's misaligned. You don't need supplements, you don't need extreme routines. You need rhythm. If you give your body consistent sleep timing, it will do what it's designed to do: heal, protect, and age more slowly.